Hi, it's Jelly here, and today I am working with the fabulous Kiki London, and I'm going to be showing you how to apply gel polish to your nails correctly, and also going to be showing you some of their polishes. This is from their autumn range, so let's get into it. So prepping your nail for a gel manicure is so important, so you mustn't skip any of these steps if you want your mani to last a long time. So all I am doing here with the cuticle pusher is getting rid of the cuticle, pushing it back and getting rid of any dead skin, and then lightly buff, and I emphasize lightly because you do not want to be damaging your natural nail. And once you've filed it and got it to the shape that you're happy with, you want to sanitize and cleanse the nail bed and the surrounding skin with isopropyl alcohol. And this is a primer. Obviously this is Kiki London's, and this is great for adding that extra inhibition layer, so your base coat will stick to this as opposed to just sticking straight to the natural nail. And it air dries as well, so there's no need to put it into the lamp. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply their base coat. So you want to obviously load your brush, but you want to get rid of the excess because you're best off applying thin coats and applying more as opposed to applying thicker coats. It's going to just help, make your gel mani last longer. So they have a beautiful brush which kind of spreads out really nicely, so you just have to sort of touch in round the side of the nails like so, and remember to seal that free edge. It's just simply running the brush across the bottom of the nail, and that's going to help to prevent chipping. If you do get any gel polish or base or top coat on your skin, make sure you remove it with some isopropyl alcohol before curing, and this also will prevent lifting and chipping of your gel mani. So you want to pop this into the lamp. This is a Kiki London lamp. I have reviewed this. I can put a link to a video where I reviewed it over on my Gelulicious channel if you want to see a full review on that. So this is the colour that I'm going to be applying to my own nail. So this is Wine With Me, and this is from their autumn range. So again, get rid of the excess because you want a nice thin even coat. And applying this exactly how you applied the base coat. Just push the brush down and spread it up. You want to get it as close to the cuticle as possible, but not right up to it, because you really don't want to be flooding your cuticles because it can be quite awkward to get out, and then that can obviously cause lifting of your gel mani. So then go right to the free edge, as close to the side of the nail as possible, and also don't forget to cap the free edge also. So I am really excited about working with Kiki London in this way, and I am going to be attempting to upload here on their YouTube channel every week. I'm aiming for it to be on a Friday at 6 p.m. so make sure that you press that subscribe button. Let's really sort of get behind them, and when you press that subscribe button, there'll be a notification bell that pops up. If you can click that as well, then you will never miss an upload that I upload to this channel. So what I'm going to be aiming to achieve with this channel is obviously showing you their products, showing you some nail art designs that you can do with them, and any sort of hints and tips that you might find helpful with working along with gel polishes. So I really hope that you enjoy these videos, and yeah, just hopefully you can support me as much as you have done over on my Gelulicious channel. That would just be awesome. So I've applied 3 coats of this polish to make sure that it's fully opaque, but if you were applying some glitter or stamping over the top of this, then you could probably get away with 2 coats, but because I'm just keeping it plain, I have applied that 3rd coat, and now I'm going to be applying Kiki London's top coat. So there are no nasty smells or anything that comes along with these products. They are a nice quality product. They are used in salons as well. So the nail techs and the professionals are using these products also, and I'm a huge fan of them, if you hadn't noticed. So when you are all done, your nail polish is basically dry. As soon as it goes into the lamp to cure, it is dry. And then you want to go ahead with the isopropyl alcohol and get rid of that tacky layer that comes about, which is totally natural and normal, and don't worry about that. And I always apply some cuticle oil after I've done a gel mani. It does really helps to sort of, you know, rehydrate your nails and put that, you know, moisture back into it. You know, this, you should be doing this quite regularly anyway to have a natural, healthy natural nail. And especially at the moment when it's a bit colder here in the UK, you want to be applying this quite regularly to, you know, stop your nails from like getting hard and cracking. And I've used this cuticle oil for a while now, and I totally recommend it. It has been amazing for me and my skin, which naturally gets dried out really quick. Whereas with this, I do find that it stays hydrated and moisturised for much longer than previously using other brands. So there you go. This is how it all looks. I have applied this to both of my nails as well. Let's give you a little sneak peek of my other hand, but this is a gorgeous autumn color. So this is it outside. So this was it in the shade. So it is a gorgeous warm color. It's got that warm tone to it. The sun's peeked out for just a while, so I ran out with my camera to record this shot. So hopefully, you know, you can see it in different lighting as well, which is good. So now I'm going to be showing you these swatches. They are pre-done, but I am going to be showing you the swatches of this autumn collection. And what I really love about this is the fact that it's kind of like think outside the box autumn collection, because it isn't the usual colours that you think of with autumn, you know, with the bright orange, bright red, and you know, yellows and greens. So you could definitely use these colours going on into the winter period also. So this is it with it. It's top coated with a glossy top coat. This is it with their matte top coat. It is Kiki London's matte top coat, and as you can see, it has worked really well. So the next one is Brick Lane. So again, warm tones. And I did review these over on my channel over on Gelulicious also. So if you want to see some designs that I created as well, then I can leave links to that and you can go and check it out. But yeah, I really love this collection. Obviously, this is what I've got on my nails at the moment. So I love this grey, both whether it's glossy or matte. And grey is like a really in colour right now. Like, you know, it's everywhere. It's even on my nail room wall. So we're coming to the end of this video now, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it and you have found it helpful. So don't forget to tune in next week, where I will be showing you some gel nail art that you can use with this autumn collection. So take care. Bye.